Alright guys, short intro. I am down here at the creek today. Decided to hit the creek instead of the river. And I got on the Tackle HD swimmer. I'm going to be throwing the swimmer around a little bit. And also got a tube tied on, which I don't usually throw too much, but we're going to go ahead and give the tube a try today and see if there's any fish moved up in these creeks yet. I could be a little early, but I think I'll be able to find at least a couple fish. So stick around and let's see what we can get into today. Alright guys, first cast. Had some fish following it. Seen one follow it. We'll go up here to this deeper water, guys. Pretty decent sized one. We just followed it a little bit, but didn't really commit. I usually don't tie this straight to braid, but I think it'll be alright. One fish followed us so far and had one thump it, so it's not looking too bad so far. There's a big gar. I wonder if that gar will hit it. There's one, guys. I don't know what this is though. A little rock bass. First fish of the day, a rock bass. Oh, I see a smallie. I see a pretty good smallie. Let's see if we'll hit this. There. Oh, I missed him. That was a different one, guys. I had a different one just choke it. I mean, choked it. Let's see if he'll hit it again, though. There's a little calm pocket right here. Let's throw this tube around. Get this rod out of here. There's a decent smallie. Actually, I think there's a couple decent smallies right here, and a pretty decent largemouth too. So let's see if they'll hit this tube. Not really sure what these fish are wanting right now. That one fully committed for the swimmer for sure. I rushed it. I don't think he really had it all the way yet. Little bitty smallie. Oh no, another rock bass. Looked like a little smallie out there. Another little rock bass. Let's go up here. See if there's anything big sitting up here. There's a nice little shelf right here. This is right where that big smallie that hit mine was. He's sitting right off this little shelf over here. Don't see any though. Doesn't mean they're not there. They hide so well. right over here. And the current. Some good current pushing along through here. Maybe some of these fish that are feeding are sitting in here. There's also a nice little still pocket right over there that I'm definitely gonna go hit right after this. Ooh, guys. Oh, there's a couple good ones in here. They wanted it. Doesn't mean one right up here don't want it though. There's one, guys. It feels pretty heavy too. Oh yeah, it's a pretty nice one, I think. Oh guys, there's a couple big fish in here. Oh, don't jump, don't jump. Stay down, baby. Don't come off. This is a pretty nice one. Oh, there's about 4 big ones. Oh yeah, this is a good fish. This is a good smallie here, guys. Look at that on the HD swimmer. Man, what a fish. I mean, just absolutely wrecked it too. Just absolutely destroyed it. Gotta set my camera up and get a good picture of him. Alright, he's ready to go. There he goes. Back into the water. HD swimmer, guys. That is what I'm talking about. I took a big gamble because it was supposed to rain here. I was going to go to a spot where it wasn't going to rain. But I said, screw it. I'm still going to try here. Didn't even know if the fish were moved up in here yet. Thought I was going to get rained on. Didn't know if there's any fish. And there is quite a few big ones in here. And this is just the first little spot too. I got probably 2 hours to fish, so should be able to get onto some good ones, guys. I'm pretty stoked. So, let me throw this tube around a little bit more. Ooh, there's a smallie sitting right here. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Got him. I got him. He was sitting right there, guys. Oh, another good one, guys. Another solid, probably 16, 17 incher. He was sitting right there where I missed that one earlier. This is probably him that hit the swimmer. I threw this back. He was all about it. Another nice, fat, pre-spawn smallie. Let's go ahead and let him go. There he goes. I hope we catch about 10 more of those, guys. I'm jacked up right now. I've been missing this creek fishing like this for so long. Went on a creek mission earlier this year, but it didn't really pan out too well. We had people all over and couldn't get to where we wanted to go. And now I'm here. There was a guy down there. I think he just went and fished over there for a little bit and left. So I'm pretty stoked right now. I'll be able to go up and fish this other big pool up here I know of. There should be some real big ones on it. There's another one. Little guy. Little largie. First largie of the day. Little bitty guy. Maybe I need to start throwing this tube a lot more, guys. I ain't throwing it too much, honestly. I mean, I know they work good. I just always stick to the jig or Ned rig or something. I don't know, maybe I'll start throwing it more often now. Alright guys, I had my camera off for a little bit there. He's going through some real shallow, swift stuff. Caught a few little dinks, but nothing worth turning the camera on for. Trying to save battery. Accidentally washed my other battery. Oops. Accidentally put my other battery through the washer, so I only got one. So I gotta order a couple more of them. But I'm getting to some deeper water, and there's a nice little spot right up here that should have some big fish on it. Keep pecking at it. About all I'm getting right now. Let's go ahead and throw it up here where I think there's gonna be some big ones, guys. Oh, that was it, guys. That was a nice fish. Oh, that was him again. He hit it again. He hit it again. This might not be the big one. The big one's probably following him. Big one's probably right on it. Yep, there is a giant right below him, guys. Two giants. This is a nice one. There's bigger ones than this. Come here, come here. Oh, look at the belly on that thing. On the tube. Are you kidding me? I was just getting smoked left and right up there. Oh my gosh, look at the colors on that thing. There he goes. Guys, I'm telling you, that thing looked tiny compared to these ones up here. I didn't even throw it where I thought there'd be a lot either. I kind of threw it off to the side. This might be insane right here, guys. Way up in the current. There we go. Oh, there's bait fish busting everywhere now. Oh yeah, this is a good one. He ain't huge, but he's a good one. I figured if there's any up there in the current, they're probably actively feeding a little bit better. Good little chunky one, nothing real crazy. There he goes. That was a nice little fight with that one. He's way up there. Try that again. Thought I heard somebody talking. Not sure though. Let's just hope if I get one to munch on this, it's the big one in the pool. Just hoping it's the big boy. There should be a big one sitting right here. There we go. Oh my God. Guys, he came off. He hit it again. Guys, monster. Absolute monster. I had him pegged though. Don't think he's gonna hit it again. That was a giant, guys. And I screwed it up. Had him pegged, dude. There's one. It's a decent one. Not like what I just had on, though. What I just had on was a lot bigger. Yeah, this one ain't nothing compared to what I had. Oh, there's a big one right there. He's gonna come up and try to eat him. I think I need to throw a jerk bait, guys. This one just swiped at it and got snagged. Little guy. Oh, sorry, I didn't know it was that shallow. My bad. He's okay. Jeez. I need a jerkbait, guys. I'm gonna throw this tube around and I'm gonna put a jerkbait on and fish a jerkbait back down, because I think all these fish that are chasing, once I hook one, I got a bunch of fish trying to eat the lure out of its mouth. So I think if I put a jerkbait on, I can get a nice double for you guys. Oh my God. What the heck do I got? Got a sucker. Oh, easy, easy. Sucker ate that thing. That's weird. That's a first. Sorry, I wanted to tie this little jerkbait on anyway. There's a house up there. People outside. Oh my God, that was a giant. I don't know if this is him. No, it's a good one, but it ain't him, I don't think. Oh, there's a big, two really, really big ones. Decent little chunker. There's two really, really big ones right out here in front of me, guys. Literally right here. Oh my God. Let him go. Oh man. They are big, guys. They are big. There's one, guys. Not the big one, though. Oh, easy. Still not the big one, guys, but it's a nice one. Another good fish on the jerkbait. There's some really, really big fish, guys. I'm just praying that I can get one to bite. I don't know where they're at anymore either. They were right by me. One or two out of these holes like you see, and they kind of slow down. There's a little bitty guy. He's a little shiner. A little creek chub. I'm gonna do a video soon, guys. I'm gonna catch some of these. I'm gonna use them as bait. That's what they're in here eating. That was about the same size as this jerkbait too. Oh, I just had one slap at it. That's what those fish are in here eating. catch the little bitty guys too on it. So it ain't like you're gonna get less bites on it because you're throwing a little bit bigger bait in the creek. These little bitty guys are not scared at all. I'm honestly surprised I ain't caught any bluegill or anything yet on it. Just because it's a creek, it doesn't mean there's not big fish in here, guys. These little bitty ones will still hit it. They're fun, still fun to catch. Anything I catch out of the creek is fun. I threw it sitting right at the... Oh, there's one, guys. Right there in that fast-moving current. You never know where they're gonna be. Kind of figured there'd be one there, but still kind of surprised me. There it goes. Little butterball. That is not it. A little largemouth. Heck of a PB, huh? Need to get off in this water over here. Come on. Little skinny largemouth. Probably a little male. There's one, guys. A little better. Still pretty small, though. Oh, there he goes. I don't know if these big ones just don't want to come up far enough to hit this or what. Freaking bluegill. Had a big one swipe at it and then this bluegill ate it. Alright guys, that's all the time we have for the day. Hope you guys enjoyed it and caught a lot of fish. Couldn't get those real big ones to bite though, unfortunately, but we'll get them next time. I'll be back here. Probably my next video, I'd imagine, with all these fish in here. But that was all the time I got for today. Did some damage on the HD swimmer. That was my biggest fish. And then jerkbait ended up getting a lot of bites there at the end. So hope you guys enjoyed it. I will see you next time.